We're here today because we got a grant from Dick's Sporting Good of $10,000.
Well, Jen Cusella kindly applied for it and we're very grateful. We're very surprised by it, so we're not sure what we're going to do with it yet, but I know that we could use new technology type stuff to improve and record what the bowlers are doing and show them what they're doing wrong and how we can improve their game.
It shows that people care about how bowling's becoming a sport and how it helps us raise awareness towards the bowling program.
This is huge for us because bowling isn't really in the forefront of sports, and so we're trying to get it there. We've had some pretty good success over the early years. We hope to continue that, and this will help us.
It's very fun being able to see a whole lot of different people and being able to travel not just inside of Grand Island, but to other places in Lincoln, seeing other people and how many people actually bowl.
It's always been like a family to me, and my very first year doing it, they welcomed me with open arms.
I love being the bowling coach because I have some of the best kids out there. We definitely try and make them better bowlers, but more importantly, better people. They know how important good sportsmanship is to me and to the rest of them, and that they're representing Grand Island Senior High. We want to represent Senior High in a positive manner.
To represent an Islander is to show sportsmanship and dedication to the sport and school that you love.
Being an Islander means that you're always going out and giving your best, and being on the bowling team is one of the ways that you can go prove that you're going out to do your best and be the best person you can be.
We'd just like to thank Dick's for the support and the donation. It'll definitely come in handy. We'll see what we can do with it.